Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a 2-in-1. I'm going to be doing technically a Boxycharm unboxing, but because I know we have a palette in here, I'm going to continue using that palette as the palette of the week. So this will also be a palette of the week video. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to first unbox everything, then I'm going to take off what's on my face and do a try on portion. If you want to know how to get this look, this is another, using forgotten products video. So keep an eye out for that. And the first thing I see in this box, because we're just going to get started today, is this Luxie trio. I love Luxie brushes. Oof. Oh my gosh, they're just so soft, so great. So what we have in this is the 660 Precision Foundation Brush, which I wouldn't use for foundation. This looks like a highlighter brush. Maybe like you could bake with it maybe, or like conceal. I don't know. I just like this, I don't know. This would take forever for me to like paint on, but it's really soft. I'll give it that. Then we also have the 516 Duo Fiber Brush, powder brush. I feel like I have this. Yeah. So, one of these are old and one of these is new. So this is the old one. This is the new one. And the difference I'm noticing is my older one seems a little bit more tapered and a little bit like fluffier, where this one is a little bit thinner. I don't know if they just changed it or, one of those errors that happen, but I do like this. I like this for like blush. You could do a soft contour with this. You could even highlight, powder. I don't know. You could do a lot with this. Brushes are like infinite. And then lastly, we have the 512 tapered highlighting brush. I love a good highlighting brush. This one seems very like big. Here, I have two other highlighting brushes that I found in subscription boxes. So this one I think is a slim glam, and then this one, no, this is a slim glam. These are both slim glams actually, and you can kind of see the shape. They're a little bit thinner and smaller, and then this one's a little bit flatter and a little bigger, so that's nice. We'll see how I'll use that today. Next thing are these lashes. Oh, I should tell you the price on that. So the brushes, it's been so long since I've done a Boxycharm, I've forgotten how to do this. So the theme was beach babes, or Caribbean queens. And that brush set retails for $42, and it is vegan, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic. Yeah, so that's actually a really good deal. That's already double the price of the box that you pay for. So the next thing we have are these lashes. They're Bandington lashes, and they're really pretty. I'm not like a huge lashes person, and in all honesty, I'm not exactly sure which is for the left and right eye in this one. I'll have to do some research, maybe watch some tutorials before I attempt all this. But those lashes are $28, and they are handmade with 100% silk, impressively durable, up to 25 applications with proper care. So that's really nice. An Ofra liquid lipstick. I'm wearing one right now in the shade Unzipped, and they're so good. I love this color and the formula feels really good. I have tried this on already because it looks like a grungy color. I had to. I love these kind of colors. So this is in the shade Verona. It's $21, and the cool thing about these is they're matte, but they feel really comfortable. They're not like super drying. So really excited to try that out. We have the smallest size of the Bum Bum Cream, which is $10. And I've smelt this. This is the other thing I used from the box. Really smells good. Then the last thing, and the thing I was most excited for, is the, I'm gonna butcher the name, Alamar. Alamar? You know what I'm trying to say. And it is cruelty free, and it retails for $28. And this is what it looks like. I've already taken off the plastic and I've swatched a few shades, but really, really pretty. I'm sure you've seen it in like their spoilers and other people's videos, but it's gorgeous. And lastly, this Jonte Blue dark brown eyeliner, which I think retails for $5. Yeah. So we're gonna try and do a look with all this, and let's see how far we get. I am no longer the Tin Man. It's a good feeling. Really good feeling. So I'm going to start with the eyeshadows. I'm going to prime my eyes with my Ulta brand Full Coverage Concealer and Light Warm. Be right back. Okay. So I'm going to first just set the lid with my NYX HD powder, just to give it a smooth base. I'm just taking a big brush because I don't give a fuck. I should say I don't care. Okay, so, okay. I'm personally going to start with that orangey yellow shade, which is the shade Cocoa Taxi. Personally, this was the shade I was most excited for. It's a little bit more rich than what I thought it was going to be, just by going off of their like sneak peeks and other people's. It doesn't, online it looked more mustardy, and in reality it's like more orangey, if that makes sense. So right now I'm just taking the MAC 286 and just putting that right in there. So in my precise crease, I'm going to take the shade right underneath it, which is Guadamira. I'm going to stop with the names. They're cute reading them, but I can't get my mouth around them, so we're going to just do that one in the crease with a more defined brush. This is the Vintage Cosmetics Company, and it's Step 1 for the Money. Okay, so since I don't fully know where I ended as far as when my camera cut out, I took this transition, defined the crease with that, went into the outer corner, just barely kind of fluffed it out in there with that color, and then I took this color on the lid. It's all that's on my lid. I think it's so pretty. It was the blue that swatched the least well, which is why I chose it, because I wanted to see how the worst perform, just because I knew I wasn't going to use all these shades. And then I'm going to now go into this shade, put that in my inner corner and as a brow bone highlighter. That is so pretty. I don't usually like shimmer underneath the brow bone, but that looks so good. Yeah, I really like this. Obviously, I haven't tried every single shade in here, but realistically, I only didn't try the one next to it, which is, oh, I wasn't expecting, I thought this was a silver, but it's like a green. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I didn't try these two shades. Those are the only two shades I didn't try, so I feel like I have a pretty decent first impression. These are beautiful. Those three are the shimmers of the palette. Besides that one, which is on my lid, or my inner front. I'm gonna put that down before I break it. Okay, I'm gonna take the eyeliner now, and I'm not gonna put it on the top line. I'm gonna try and put it on the waterline of the bottom lash. I'm gonna do that off camera because I can't do that while in frame. Okay, so that didn't really work, so I just kind of took it on the outer like lash line, and I think that looks okay. Not my favorite, but it's fine. I don't do brown a lot. I like a pitch black, but this is pretty. Then I'm gonna try the lashes. Wish me luck. Again, this is gonna be off camera because it's gonna take about 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been about like 30 minutes. I finally got them on. They're not perfect. They're not blended well. I had to cut them down. Use tweezers, but they're kind of on. They're very dramatic. Very pretty. Yeah. So I'm gonna try and use this foundation brush and apply foundation. It's not my favorite way of doing things, but I will try it out. I'm gonna actually use the Wet n Wild foundation. I haven't used it in a while, and this is in the shade Soft Beige. So yeah, let's try this out. I forgot how horrible this smells. Either that or mine somehow expired already because it smells trash. I don't like this brush. I knew I wasn't going to, but I wanted to try it just in case. You never know. You can be wrong. And it's okay to admit you're wrong. But this time I was not wrong. It's just a little too small, a little too... I don't know, I just like want, like maybe concealer would be good. Let's try concealer. I want to get this to work. Yeah, I don't like it for that. I think this will be like a powder brush or something. I don't know. I just don't like it. I'm gonna use it because it is dry already, which is weird. I'm gonna use it to set my under eye because I think that'll honestly be what I use it for. I ended up going in with this brush just because it wasn't wet. Okay. Highlight. So I guess I'll take the highlighting brush that came in this grouping, and I'm gonna actually pull into this palette. I haven't used this palette in a really long time. It's the NYX Strobe of Genius palette. I'm gonna take the purple shade, which is my favorite from this palette. So I really know how this should apply. It gives it a very subtle glow. And in fact, it kind of, maybe this isn't the right highlighter for this brush. I mean, you can build it up, which is what I would want to do, but I'm going to take the one down there. More of a traditional shade. Okay. I don't mind the shape of it, and it's soft, so I'll keep using it. We'll see. The Bum Bum Cream. I've tried this a little. Wait. Like I said earlier, I did try this on my hands. I know it says it's a body cream, so I'll put it a little bit on my chest. Oh wow, I have some foundation there. Okay. The smell is really good. I'm not even gonna lie. It's a pretty decent smell. When I tried it earlier, I didn't really notice too much moisture, in all honesty. I look just really weird right now. First with this highlighter and the eyelashes, I just look next level. So, sorry about that, that's a tangent, but overall, I don't have a real opinion of this. I wouldn't probably pay $10 for this, but teach their own. Lastly is this Ofra liquid lipstick in Verona. I'll be right back. I'm gonna apply this on camera. Okay, so this is the final look. I really like the Ofra liquid lipstick, but I already knew that coming in. Love the eyeshadow. The lashes are definitely gonna take some work, but they are pretty if you like lashes. The brushes are okay. They're not my favorite brushes, but I do love Luxie brushes in general. The Bum Bum Cream is fine. I'm excited to try it. I'll take it on my travels. I'm traveling this week. And then the eyeliner, I'm not a big fan of eyeliner, so it's not really that big of a deal. But anyway, guys, this is the look. We'll see what I come up with for the rest of the week. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below.